Morning, guys. Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me turn on my alarms. So we don't miss market open. Grand rising, grand rising, grand rising. I still have no good morning thing I'm supposed to say. Good morning, everybody. I don't even have it set up. I think I'm live on TikTok. Not sure about YouTube or Twitter or Twitch yet, but we'll get there in just a second. Community, has there been any comments that are held? Nope. Analytics. Everything's at record highs. Content. I just know we're going to have a wonderful, wonderful morning. Looks like there's some sells in place. Sell, stop, NAS maybe. It looks like, yeah. 1 minute sell, take profit. 23,000, whatever the hell this is. 147. I never play sells, but feel free, knock your sells out. It has to come down. And it's forming like a 10-hour buy at this point. I called a 4-hour buy, but it's moved into a 10-hour buy. And no, the trade hasn't gone bad. Some of you are just so ignorant to trading. It's kind of silly at this point, but it's all right. That's what I'm here for. Help you all out. Oh, you have to be here. What is this guy saying? God, I got the weirdest email. People are so strange. I swear. Copy. Oh, I see. This wasn't even updated yet. We're not even updated yet. Hold on. Let me update this thing right there. I am trading through market open this morning. This will be my last live. I might be on tomorrow evening late. Maybe. If not, either Saturday or Sunday I'll be on. All right. Pablo. All right. I think we're live. Let's take a look-see. And while we're waiting, I'm going to play just a little bit of the one song, if I can. I don't know, this thing kind of gets weird. Yep, being weird. See, even that's not correct. All right, I think I'm live. I don't see my, yep, see, I don't see my video yet. Okay, there's people. All right, morning everybody on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, X, and Facebook Live. Morning LT, number one as usual, V Delaney. Persistent LT, Blue Tide. What's up, Jake? Blue Tide Acrylics, Meneke and Company. Guy Berger, Barry Deutsch, Mr. Gold. Good morning, Mr. Gold. KJ, what's up, KJ Palmer? KJ Palmer is actually related and the son of the great, the one, the mythical, the one and only. KJ dies when I do this. Keith Palmer, the gentleman who does all our coding for us. The outstanding, the one and only, put some respect on his name, Keith Palmer, but KJ's a great guy too, obviously. Wishing and praying, good morning. Good morning, not today. Good morning, John Parker. Good morning, I hope your knee's better. Good morning, J Flo. We can't see the screen. See, there you go, Barani, good morning. I knew it. What the hell is going on around here? Let me see. Let's see. Testing. Ooh, can you guys even hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I can hear me. Oh, restream, I swear. In my head. Now let's see if you guys can see me. Everybody in my head. But it's showing the words scrolling, but it won't show the screen. But give it a second. I tried to reset it. In my head. We can hear you. Okay. Aha. Now you can see me. Good morning, Larry Cooper, and God bless you, and thank you for the blessings, each and every one of you. Good morning to everybody. And now we can see. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. Good morning, Barani. Good morning, Eric R. Key J again, not today again. Sog again. Wishing, praying again. J-Flow. J-Flow, I'm going to make you a thing. I know you've been with me a minute. J-Flow, arise. You are now a moderator on YouTube. In my head. We got less than an hour, but we can do a lot of good in an hour.
Straight up.
In my head. Everybody says, everybody says. All right. Now we're good over there. Let's get ourselves fired up on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Old School Mick. Glad to see you're doing so much better with your trading, Old School Mick. It's been a minute. I know you've been working hard at it. I think Old School Mick's been at it a couple years. TST reverse going. All right, let's see if I can find out what's going on with everything. Yeah, this might work. Nope, this isn't going to work. Fuck. In my head. Everything going in my head. Not a symbol, but the interval, yes. Time, yes. Date range, no, don't care. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look. See, we need to get this to ES1. Go make a whole bunch of call outs for you super quick. SPX and Q1. NAS. Then we need to go over here to YM1, and this needs to be US30. That'll work. Go back over to here. Move that this way, and now we got it. So let's go over here, and I'm going to make my call outs. Oh, well, that's why I didn't go forward. Let's see what we see. Yeah, that 1 minute sell that I just called on NAS is in the money. I don't trade sells, but it is going to go down to where I told you it's going to go down to right here. 23,151, and reason why I don't do sells is because this is an upward movement. The flow of the movement is going up. ES 30-minute lagging. ES 30 minutes. Okay, let's take a look. 30-minute ES. Guyberger knows what he's talking about, so let's take a look. Yes, ES, and better yet, SP, no, it's only, well, it is lagging. Oh shit, why did we lose video again? What the fuck? In my head, in my head. That's funny. There you go. How about now? You guys should be able to see everything in about a second. What the heck? In my head. Good morning, 8 Ball. Let's go J-Flow. What happened with J-Flow? We can see now. Can't see your screen. Menike and Company, no screen. Yeah, I'm trying to fix it again. It's back? Maybe I have to refresh. Hold on. Sell to the SPX 30-minute blue line. Sell to SPX. Very good call on the ES1. I'm going to change it to SPX, though, for the sell. Little concerned that US30 and YM1 aren't there. That's an interesting concept. I wish they would be underneath first, but evidently we're not going to get what I wish for this morning. Yeah, let me know if it goes back, LT and Menike and Company, if I lose the screen again. It's fucking weird. Oh. All right, so 30-minute sell all indices to the 30-minute blue line of SPX 500. NAS. Oh, NAS must be going down to where I said. Let's take a look. Yep, NAS is going down to where I said on the 1 minute. You're in to take profit if you're doing that sell. I don't do any sells. Feel free to do your sells. I don't touch them. I'm not touching a 1 minute sell. I'm not touching a 30-minute sell. I'll call them for you and you guys can have fun for it, but that's it. They are on to you, Kev. Thank God, not yet. We've been staying underneath the radar. Good morning, Ace Bullet. All right, now this is where we're at with the indices, just so we're all on the same page. We were holding everything until US 30 hit a new high. It did hit a new high the other day. I did not even know that. So now all indices are actually closed. What does that mean? All 6 indices hit all take profits. All of them went up to the weekly new record highs, as I called back in April down here. I called it live every day since then. If you watch April 8th, 9th, whatever it was, 7th, I think it was 8th. April the 8th on, well, I can tell you right over here. Yeah, from, there you go, like April 7th, 8th. If you watch every video after that, every day, and all of the rest of April, May, June, July, and August, I told you that we were going up to record highs and to keep taking the buys until US 30 hit its record high. Now that record high has been hit on US 30, I'm going to keep calling the indices, but they've actually become a closed trade. They hit every high. I was right on every symbol that I called, 100% accurate the whole entire time. Fletch, good morning. Morning, Fletch. Now, some of you are whining like biatches. Oh, the 4 hour you called is going down. Yep, it hasn't engaged yet, nor will it for a while. I told you that's to hook, told you that's to come down. It won't engage probably for another 2 to 3 days. So I would say within 5 days. So let's say, by the end of next Friday, they'll come out with some bullshit news of why it's going to rise up, but whatever. It's just literally going to be coming back up to the exact level I told you. Just be patient. It's turned into a 10-hour buy, I believe it is now. Maybe 12? No, it's going to be a 12. 12-hour buy stop NAS and NQ, 10-hour buy stop SPX and ES, 4-hour buy stop YM and US 30. So do with that knowledge as you will.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Wow,
the accuracy. Yeah. Well, that was pretty easy, Meneke and Company. When you see the buy stops form on these weekly, it's, it's golden. It's so easy to make. Anyone can do it. A trained monkey can do it when they have the knowledge. I guarantee you they could. Now, I'm glad that we have the system to show us, but it's that easy. Yeah, where's your support and resistance at here? People are so silly. Yep, look at it. There you go. All of them hit. Went all the way up to take profit. NAS again is showing it's hit the... let's see. Yep, there you go. There's NAS 1 minute sell, all in the money, right down to the take profit I told you would go to. Yes, my system works on buys as well as it does sells. You can clearly see the high probability setup on each one of these. It's the inverse, you guys aren't used to this, but it's the inverse relationship to a buy stop, inverse mirrored image. It looks to be the opposite right here, 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 and here. So these are called high probability setups, trade setups. Red, 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 green, pink cross the blue, down she goes. Red, 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 green, pink cross the blue, down she goes. Red, 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 green, pink cross the blue, down she goes. Red, 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 green, pink cross the blue, down she goes. This is ES1, SPX, NQ, NAS, YM1, red, 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 green, pink cross the blue, down it goes. That's YM1. This is US 30. You have time. US 30 is lagging. US 30 is lagging. Interesting. Oh, not by a lot. It still has time, though. US 30 will be going down to here, 44,715. People are just so fucking funny in this world. Oh. If you read some of the emails we get. Weird. Yeah, you still have time for YM1 and US 30 to dip a little bit further, but NAS has hit its take profit that I called. NQ1 has hit its take profit that I called. SPX and ES have hit their take profits too. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Good morning, Gary Ramundo and Menike and Company and Paydude and Fletch and LT. Hey, look, I'm back and it's staying up this time. There you go. Look at that shit. Perfect trades. And these are sells. Would anybody like me to go over the sells and how to enter the trade on the sell stops? Or no? It's just the opposite of a buy, that's all. If anybody would like me to go over how I call these sells, just let me know. 7s for yeses or yeses for yeses. If you don't, I don't care. Don't forget, me and Bree are so successful, we do not need the trade. I'm currently in some options will make me about $8,000, $10,000, $12,000 here soon. But we make literally, I don't know if I should say this or not. We're senior store ambassadors for Stan. Wishing Praying says yes, please. Yes, says Ace Bullet. Okay, well, let's do it. Let's do it. Dun, 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 dun. Do it. Do it. Dun, 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 dun. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. All right. This is a sell stop. We're going to use this right here as our example. We're going to zoom in. Matter of fact, let me pull that back. My system works as well up as it does down. Look at all these in a row. Look at them all. Look at them all. I'll show you all of them. Look, this is so fucking easy. Oh, peeps, 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 peeps. Peep, peep, peeps. All right. When price action dips below the blue line, you look for this setup here. You can look for it here. You can look for it here. These are called sell stops. So, for instance, these little red, let me scooch this out a little bit. These little real direction bars right here, real direction bar 1 is red, means down, 2 red, 3 red, down, down, down. Above you, you're going to see red on the Bach, you're going to see red on the candles, you're going to see a red EMA, you're going to see the pink cross the blue, and usually they do a double top, which is this thing right here. Pink crosses and rises up again, and that's how you know you're going to be in there. But anyway, that's a little advanced. So that's what you're looking at. See your red right here, down, down, down. Then you look up here. It's a broken Bach, which is even better. The red EA is right there. Then you look over here, down, down, down. So you guys all see the very similar to same exact setups. And these are 1 minute sells on NASs. Okay? 7s, if you guys see that. Gold 12-hour and 15-minute. Is that a buy, LSU? Good morning, LSU. 7s, if you guys understand that. These are just the same setups. Sell went down. Sell went down. Sell went down. My system accurately predicts the future at a 99.9% win rate. I know of no losses ever for anything, but you guys have fun and claim that whatever. Yes, sir. Here we go. Now, how do we trade this particular trade? We're going to zoom in over here. We're going to take out this right here so you don't even see it. All that matters, what you're going to look at, is this trade right here. It's an upside down buy stop. This is called a sell stop. So we make money on the way up. What's up, Barry Deutsch? We make money on the way down. What's up, Stealth? Oh, look at us, 35 of you. Oh boy. Please say you have enough people here that can stay on YouTube. Oh Lord. LSU, you take a look for buys. Oh, okay, we'll do. LSU, gold. I'm sure it's a buy. Gold's always a buy. All right, so this is what we're looking at right here. Now I'm going to go back in time because that is the coolest feature ever on TradingView, and it actually works. Woo-hoo. All right, so we're going to do this. We're going to come over here and move this up just a tad bit. And we're going to move it forward like this, like this. Okay. Now, This right here is a buy stop. And you guys can remember this because I actually found the video the other day. Let's see where I found it at. Did I leave it open? Yes. This is sell stop. Did I just say buy? Sorry. That's my bad. This is a sell stop, and we actually have a video for it. So let's remove this for a second and look right here and shrink this down where you guys can see it. It's so cute. I like this one better than the buys, actually. This video is better. It's just cuter. Little people jumping in, jumping down. It's so cute. All right. Is there anyone new here or has not bought the system yet? Is there anyone new here? Yeah, I already explained the 4-hour NAS yesterday on the entry. You must have missed that, LSU. Okay, that's pretty good, LT. Thank you, LT. Good morning, Antonio Sosa. What's up, D. Hardy? Good morning, D. Hardy. D. Hardy's here. Okay, so here we go. We're going to explain how you're going to make money in a sell stop market, a downward moving market. Let me get this a little bit smaller right here. I have to make it so you guys on TikTok can also see. It's much better video on YouTube. All right, now here. All right, so here is D. Hardy. D. Hardy is swimming in the ocean trying to stay above the water. See how he has green shorts on? He's trying to stay up. The trade is trying to go up. All old-fashioned indicators, RSIs, volume, VWAP, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, they would all say, hey, this is going to keep going up, and they would be wrong 93% of the time. They'd have the wrong candles, the wrong naming of candle patterns. It would just be wrong. But this is him swimming in the ocean, minding his own business. But D. Hardy, for some unknown reason, pissed off a few people. He pissed off LT. And I don't know if you can see this, D. Hardy. Hold on one second. Let me grab this real quick for us. I have to expand this a little bit up so that he can see these little lines right there. All right. Okay. I think we're better. Okay. So the analogy is this. D. Hardy is green. The little bullshit detector green is right there. Okay? So what D. Hardy is going to be doing, he's green trunked, swimming in the ocean. This is the green up right here on the bullshit there. The trade's going up. We know it's not really going to stay up, but it is showing it's going to go up. We know that's bullshit. That's why it's called the bullshit detector, and it's going to come down. Okay, so the analogy goes like this. D. Hardy swimming in the ocean, minding his own business. He must have pissed people off because someone comes up named LT and grabs an arm and pulls him down. Someone else, the red line under here, real direction bar number 2, is LSU. He grabs another arm and brings him down. Another person by the name of Antonio Sosa grabs both legs and pulls him down. Then above him fall these red lines. This is the Bach, red, red, red. You can see the EMAs, red, 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 red. And above him is Paydude, Stealth, and Eric R. These are pushing him down. They jump in and push him down. So the analogy is D. Hardy is swimming in the ocean. See the red come above, come at him, right? Watch. Just minding his own business. Look, I think this is so funny. Woo! They're all jumping in, grab him, fall down. And he gets pulled down and the trade is going to go down. And this is called a sell stop. So let's watch it again. Does everybody get the analogy? There's D. Hardy swimming. Someone grabs his arms. Someone grabs a leg. Someone grabs another leg. They're all pulling him down. And then from the top, boom, boom. I think that's funny as fuck. Then you have Paydude. You have Stealth. And you have Eric pile driving down on him, jumping from the top ropes. It is so funny to me, I swear. So at any rate, do you get the analogy, everybody on TikTok and YouTube? Yes or no? So what am I saying? Well, if you're speaking English, I'm telling you that it's a sell, that this trade is going to go down. Oh my God. Good morning, Ocean. Welcome to the channel. People are so slow. Oh my God. D. Hardy, please tell me you got the analogy that when you see this pattern of red, 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 green, red, red, the trade will go down. That's what I'm trying to fucking tell you. People are so fucking weird. Okay. Well, okay. Can't reach everybody in the world, even though I try. It's funny as fuck. All right, so that is called a sell. We make money in a market that's going down, and we make money in the market going up. This is how you make money in the market going down. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I hope to God that you understand English at this point in time of your life. All right, oopsie. So watch. Oh, shit, I got to go back. Hold on. People are so fucking weird. Oh, Lord. All right, so when you see this setup, Jesus. Oh, why am I here? I should just enjoy life. Okay, so this is where you're at. This is our little setup. This is going back in time. We went back, I don't know, maybe an hour or so ago, whatever this is, not too long ago. Okay, so D. Hardy got it, thank God. Yeah, it's been a long time since we've gone over sell stop Skyburger. What's up, Cody? Good morning, Cody and Kirk. Okay. So this is now the entrances. How do you trade this trade? 93% of all traders are dumb fucking asses, kind of like someone who just asked the question this last time. So what are you trying to say? I'm trying to tell you that this green isn't going to go up. I'm trying to tell you that there's one. Here, let me put it in real simple terms. There's one green going up, but there's red here, red, red, 3 red here, red, red, red. The candles are even red. The EMA's even red. You have 10, right? You have 9 red, and this is put in real simple terms for you out there, whoever that guy was. 9 red means down, and 9 is bigger than 1 up. So since 9 is bigger than 1, the trade is going to go down. Did I put that in simple enough terms for you? What was his name? God. Did I put this in simple enough terms for you? Jesus Christ, I swear to God. All right, so 93% of all old traders would have thought that trade was going to go up. My system called bullshit and said it was going to go down. My system was 100% fucking correct. Oh, Lord. So that's how you spot a sell stop. It's called a high probability setup. I didn't come up with that, by the way. ChatGPT did, which is ironic since we're actually crushing it. I think they're asking what are the red shorts and green shorts on a chart. Yeah, that really, I'm going to skip over that one, KJ, and hope to God. Would you say there's a chance of it going down? So easy to understand, LT. Yeah, I agree. All right. So the analogy evidently went over some people's heads. God almighty. Okay. So the analogy went over some people's head, but the reality is this is a sell stop. How would you enter the sell stop? Just the opposite of how you enter the buy stops. What do I mean? The sell stop would be entered in exactly like this. You would enter it off of the orange line, and if it rose up, this is called a sell stop. It's a future pending order. This is your entry, okay? It'll be off the orange line. Now, technically, the orange line has to go above the red line, so you'd enter it off of here once it rises up. I don't know if it will or not do that, but that's where I would enter the trade at. Okay, so this is your entry, and then you have to wait for the crossing of the well, it did go above. I'm sorry, it did right there go above. So when it comes back down, it'll cross, and we will enter the trade right there. So this is your entry. I hope D. Hardy gets that's who I'm trying to reach is D. Hardy. Okay, so there you go. So we're just going to do an entry right now. We're going to do a sell because that's what it's calling for. And of course, it puts it right in the center of what we're doing. God dang. All right, so this is where our entry is going to be. And that's it right there. Now, once we enter the trade, we can go forward a little bit. Okay, yeah, we're immediately in money, but whatever. So we're in profit. I would sell immediately, but you guys do what you want. Right here is your entry, so we're in a little early, but it doesn't matter, same principle. Now we're going to wait for this pink and blue to rise up and cross, and then this eventually will turn to red. but we need to put our stop loss in. So in this case, since we entered in, we have to put our stop loss above entry. This is a 1 minute. I would go up to the 5 minute if I were you and use the previous high on that one. This is called your stop loss. I would go to the 5 minute to place stop loss. I'm going to use it here at the 1 minute because we happen to be sitting here, but I would move it upwards. Take profits. Once you entered into the trade, take profit 1 is the red line. Take profit 2 is the yellow-orange line. And then you would let a runner run. And the runner is like compound interest. You leave one trade open and just let it go. So this is your setup, your entry right where we're at. Your stop loss. I made a wrong thing. Sorry, that should be an L. Your stop loss is right here. I would go up to the 5 minute to place it, but whatever. And then your take profits are here, here, and well, let it run down here. That's your orange down there. Okay, so this is your setup. How to spot the trade was the analogy that no one got. The swimmer trying to stay above in the ocean, D. Hardy, and then you get dragged under. Does everybody understand how to trade the trade? Yes or no? I don't have the 3 lines on the core. Yep, you absolutely do. 100% you do. LSU. Can you explain sells to the blue line, or should they be avoided? No, sells to the blue line are more than capable of happening, but they're just a sell like I taught you, and it's going to the blue line. Generally speaking, it'll be a higher time frame one, either really low like a 5 second, 10 second, or a really high like a 1 hour, 2 hour, but you're not seeing that right now. Well, kind of you are. You're seeing that to a 30-minute sell stop right now, blue line of NAS, technically of SPX 500. Okay. I use the sniper blue line down and pink line high. If you're using that on a higher time frame, your second time frame to validate this trade, you would. But no, you would use the high. Let me show you what it's always looking like. Let me be clear on this. This is always a sell stop right here. This is what a single chart sell stop. I would use the double. I would go up to the 5 minute, compare the 1 minute to 5 minute, then the blue line would be low. He's right. But this is what you're waiting for, that cross. See? Enter. Boop. Cross, enter. And that's it. Yeah, what you got to do for your lines to show up, and again, you need to go into the Discord and show this. You need to make your real direction bar spacing. You need to put your real direction bar size. You might have yours set up here somewhere where it looks like a blob. You need to lower it down. I mean, come on, peeps. Really? Ask your questions inside the learning room in the Discord, please. Literally. Yes, everybody that has the core has the fucking thing. Oh boy, 9:30 can't get here fast enough. Oh yeah. The blue lines are black holes. They do, they suck everything to it. That's true, that's a good way of looking at it. I have green. It's called the bullshit detector. LSU. You should look underneath your shared scripts. And if you see something called right here, TSTS BS detector. And if you don't have that underneath your shared scripts, then you can send a nicely worded email asking for it. But you have to have it. I mean, it's impossible not to have it. But again, a much better way to ask these questions is through the Discord learning room where you're supposed to be. Have you not had your training yet? Yes, you have to be a member to join the Discord 8-ball. 100% yes. I left my God, I'm almost tempted to throw everybody that's public out of my email service. Some Jack Pine tried saying my 4-hour buy stop was wrong. He didn't have the system. He was silly. He was a ignorant person who did not know anything about trading and or the system. I'm almost tempted to throw you all out of there, the signal service. But yeah, the hell no to there is no way I will ever open up the Discord to the public. We did it for like a day or two right after I first started. Oh my God, it was filled with the stupidest, most moronic people on earth. I'm never doing it again. Ever doing it again. Ever doing it again. God. The ignorance, the absolute horrid ignorance of some people. It's just, I'm not dealing with it. I don't have to deal with it. That's another funny thing. Oh, me and Bree never have to work another day in our lives, and we're perfectly fine. I'm going to go ahead and tell you, we've made millions through the Stand store. Millions through our Stand store. I never have to trade another day. I don't have to be here teaching you this stuff. Some of you are so confused in life, you're just lost in space. I'm here because I'm trying desperately to help each and every one of you become retired, if you want to be. That's why I'm here. Old School says, I remember, yep. Discord Learning Room is awesome. Great people trading and help. Exactly, not today. And we keep it that way by not allowing fucking public people into the Discord. Public people in the Discord is like oil and water. It's like it's just embarrassingly bad how bad the people are, the general public is in trading. It's a horror. I'm trying to save each and every one of you. Oh, you're only in it for the money. I have paid off houses, paid off cars, shit tons of money saved. I have a house and cars for my children. What the fuck? I mean, literally, if things just dried up today and I never made another cent from any system sell ever, I don't care. I would just trade and make millions of dollars and be perfectly happy and live my life. Matter of fact, I'm really tempted to do that. I might finish the robot and then never come on here and trade with you guys again. If I didn't think I'm helping the vast majority of you, because right now we get about can you imagine someone being so negative in their heart and soul, they take the time out to give a dislike to a video? Why don't you just move on and mind your own fucking business? But let's just say it's 50 likes to 1 dislike. But if I ever saw the day where it was 50 likes and 25 dislikes, oh, I'm out the fucking door. I will not be on here. You think I need to be here? We have a core group of people that make a living for me and Bree through this 3 Stand stores that is exceptional. We couldn't be more blessed, ever. And I would just trade. I'd go to the beach somewhere. I don't like beaches. I'd go to the beach and mountain somewhere. We would probably go to like St. Thomas, maybe Vegas, and just permanently go live there and then just trade and then do nothing else. And then I would never be on these lives. By the way, here, let's take a poll. What's up, Marley Mar? I enjoy your presence here, says Cody. What's up, Jonah? Don't, says Cody. Yep, a lot of people, you're a blessing. Thank you, 8 Ball. See, that's what I mean. I get 1 email that's negative from some Jack Pine, and then I get 50 emails that are positive. Do I even have to ask, do you guys want me here? Yes or no? I don't have to be here. If you don't want me here, I can leave right now. I don't have to trade through Open. I don't have to show you how to actually make money, because I don't have to give away free signals where all my signals are 100% correct, documented, including the 4-hour that someone just questioned this morning. Uno reverse. 5 second. Oh, interesting. All right. Well, done with the sell stop explanation. Hopefully you guys got it. If you guys want me to stay here, just say, yeah. Good morning, Annie Apple. Good morning, buddy. I would like to join. I'm sure it's listed here somewhere. Where is the email for the place to ask your questions prior to joining? It is the Forex Safe Trade System at gmail.com. Isn't it scrolling on the bottom? Maybe not. I change it so often. A full-time trader, blah, blah, blah. Let's see. Come over to here. And this is where you safetrade.com, and then I think you can click on this email tab. Yeah. I don't want to. I don't know if that worked. You might be able to click on the email tab. I don't know. It is right here in the YouTube channel, though, that I do know. You can go to my YouTube channel. Go to my channel, and then somewhere about wherever it is in the land of YouTube, they live subscription, I don't know. Somewhere around here, you can contact me through here, and that one does work. Anyone knows where that is? It's called, if anyone, I wish my damn gone, any rate, I'm supposed to have somebody moderating with me on here, but it's the Forex Safety Trade System at gmail.com. There you go, Sam K. I mean, yeah, if you guys don't want me, I'll just fucking leave. I don't give two fucks. You guys really are just delusioned. Oh, he's doing it just to sign people up. Yep, trying to help people. Abso-fucking-lutely yes. Oh, hey, really? Okay, no, not really. Look at those J&Js. Oh, I closed my J&J down. Whoa, did I close it down yet? I might not have closed down yet. I'm going to close down my J&J trade. It's done everything I ever wanted it to. I'm done with it. Now, let's be clear. I'm not going to call these out this morning unless you guys want me to. But talking about making a shit ton of money, we're about to make a shit ton of money on Nike. I have some Nike options. Love Nike. Just love Nike on the buy. There's some long-term options on that one. I mean, it's just amazing. Now, it's a very, very long-term trade. It's a 3-month, 6-month buy stop on this one. Target, same thing. I love Target. Target, I have options on Target. I have options on United Healthcare. I love United. I think United Healthcare is the biggest pile of shit company in the world. Don't get me confused. But I love United Healthcare. It is a monthly, 3-monthly buy stop. United Healthcare is going to go skyrocketing over the next 6 months to a year. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Bayron 470. Good morning, Sam I Am. Sam K. Oh, Sam I Am. Sam I Am, is that Sam I Am from the UK? There's too many Sam I Ms and Sam Ks. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Yeah, that is the store. Thank you for posting that. The email, though, I don't know if I'll have to check that email if it's working or not. The link, the email works. I don't know if the link works for it. All right, so, oh, and don't forget about Litecoin. My big four that I just love, absolutely trading with my own money on, is Litecoin. Litecoin is by far the best crypto out of all of them. It's amazingly strong. Litecoin already went up to its orange line? Oh, wrong thing. Hold on. Litecoin, mine just gorgeous. Just love it. 168, something like that. It's going to be going to. Love Litecoin, love Nike, love Target. Well, I love them all, but I mean, if you're forcing me to choose the top three, those are my top three, and love United. J&J already did what it's supposed to do. AMD already did what it's supposed to do. Amazon already did all take profits. Netflix did all take profits. Those are all closed trades. NVIDIA is a closed trade. Costco, for all intents and purposes, is a closed trade. All the indices I've called to the record highs since April the 7th, 8th, whatever it was, 7th, and they're all closed trades. I'm just keep calling them anyways. Gold's a closed trade. Silver is a closed trade. And Bitcoin also is a closed trade. Ethereum's a closed trade, meaning they have all made all the profit I could possibly call for them, they've done. And then, by the way, do you see the list there? There's 0 losses on any of those long-term. You can't have a loss on a long-term trade. A fucking blind monkey can trade the system on 3 months. I don't understand how you guys don't trade 3 months. Just trade a 3-month fucking trade. You can't mess it up. My system is error-proof. Well, I'm sure there'll be some ignorant person out there to prove me wrong, but there it is. There it is. This is absolutely going to go up and do what I said it's going to do. This is a 3-month target buy stop. And the target is 187, whatever the fuck it is, 180, 177, I think I call in it. And from here, almost doubling your money, and it's going to go up and double your money on target. But you guys just ignore me, say I don't know how to trade, say I'm an ignorant fool, say I'm here just trying to sell systems. My God, can you be more sillier on earth than those comments? Thank you, not today. The Forex said that is correct. Sam I Am from the Bronx. Okay, so we have Sam I Am from the Bronx, 4 years strong. Nice. Wow. Sam, are you making money with this damn system? Sam I Am from the Bronx. Then we have Sam S or something, Sam G. Then we have Sam, I think it's Sam I Am from England. I know we have a Sam from England. I'm positive we have a Sam from England. I like to answer my own questions. Thanks, buddy, for everything you do in the morning. You're welcome, Sam K. Successfully closed trade, plenty of them. Money, money, money. Yep, it's a song. I didn't know Sam was such a popular name, but evidently Sam is a very popular name. Of course, there's a lot of Kevins. I didn't think Kevin's was a popular name at all. But there's a lot of people with the name Kevin. 9:17, 13 minutes to market open. Please do not play market open. If you are, lock in all your money. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Best system ever. I agree with your statement, Sam. I am. And it's gotten better and better. Sam, I am. Did you know that we're coming out with, oh shit, do I have time to show you guys the new code? Keith has a new code going, peeps. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. We'll have it coded for sells too, but right now it's just doing buys. We have a robot coming, Sam, I am. And it is so fucking tweaked now. Holy shit. Are we getting accurate signals? Oh boy, do I have it turned on? I don't know. Let's see. Yes. TSTS. US 30, okay. But I mean, when it calls a signal now, yeah, we're absolutely kicking ass with it. First time frame switch, Okay, hold on. See if we can get you some money here. Where's the first time frame? I don't see it. Oh, it's the 1 second. That's why it's saying that. Okay. Let's go to ES1. Let's go to 5 second. Let's go to where we're at. I'll get back to the explanation of the robot, but holy shitolas. Buy stop? Buy stop to the 5 second blue line. SPX 500. Buy stop ES1 to the 5 second blue line. Be careful. This is really early on. I want to check all these, but that's what it's showing, so let me call it. NQ1. Buy stop to the 5 second blue line, NQ1. I hope they drag it down a little further so that open we can make our money. Buy stop NAS to the 5 second blue line. Let me see why. I hope one of these are over. Oh, yeah. Buy stop NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1. Stay away from US 30 right now. It's not the better of the group. You can trade it. I'm just telling you it's not the better. Yeah, oh, it's going to do it. Yep. Good. Well, there you go. We're going to see some flipping, okay? For those of you who are new to the system, this is how it goes down, just like that. There you go. We have our alert. Nice. US 30 cross, nice. There you go. US 30 in the money already. YM1 in the money already. NAS, you have time for NAS to get in. 5 second buy stop to the blue line, ES1. You have time for ES1 and SPX to go to the 5 second blue line. Wow, this is nice. Do all the updates to this code come with the purchase of memberships? No. All the updates to the core, absolutely. To your to the core system, absolutely. You've gotten so many free upgrades. It's not even funny to the core and to the bullshit detectors. But absolutely not. They're not free. No. The robot is now you're in the system. You get it for a discount, but you're paying for the robot. Jesus. You must not have been around. I've been showing you how much work. How's the Breebot? What's up, SCMS Trader Mike? What's up, Trader Mike? You're welcome, Matt. Yeah, show us quickly. Okay, yeah. Let me come back to this. All right. Tell me when this gets up to the 5 second blue line, guys, okay? If my alerts don't go off, just tell me when it gets up there. It's getting up there, trust me. Look, you're in the money. Oh, you're welcome. Look, you're in the money. That's fucking close enough. You're already in the money from where I called it. Oh my goodness. This system is fucking awesome. Good morning, Grant. Yeah, okay. Well, you're in the money. All right, back to what I was saying about the robot. How much time do I have? I got about 6 minutes. All right. Well, 2 minutes, I got an alarm going off. So the robot. Keith, the great Keith Palmer, put some respect on his name, has absolutely outdone himself. Help if I'm looking at the right thing. What has he outdone? He has outdone the coding now. We are quickly approaching 100% accuracy on the calls. We're probably at least 90% accuracy on the entries right now. Boy, we've been making leaps and bounds. Keith just gave me the code earlier this morning before I came on the live. Yes, isn't that amazing what I do for you guys? Shit, that would be like a 15-minute buy right there, that dip. But watch. 5 seconds. Looks like we made money. Looks like we made money. Looks like we made money. NQ crossing. Hold on. Give me a second. Give me a second. Hold on. There you go. Touchdown. We have touchdown. Touchdown to the blue line right there. NAS, touchdown to the blue line. NQ, touchdown to the blue line. Thank you, Stealth. Thank you, Larry Cooper. SPX, touchdown to the blue line, SPX. Touchdown with no drawdown in ES1. My system is perfect for, look at that. It went, price action went from here to there on ES1. Price action went from here to there on SPX. Price action went from where I called it right here to there live. These are all live. To NAS live. Let's see how much money would have been on NAS. We have 7 minutes to market open. It was somewhere around here. I called that, whatever, give or take. Somewhere around 10, 12, 15 pips. Look at that. And it had been a lot more on US 30. US 30 did the same thing, but we didn't call US 30 because it was already above it. Look at how beautiful that was. Look at how beautiful that was. Ricochet, buy in again. NAS going back to the 5-second blue line. NQ going back to its 5-second blue line. SPX, when the pink crosses the purple down here, it's going to go up to the blue. It's going to go back to the 5-second blue line. ES1 is going to go back to its 5-second blue line. You're welcome. Now, you can take these short-term buys. You can do some longer-term buys. You can do some sells if you want to do the sells to the 30-minute blue line. Feel free. Trade any which way you want. Whatever you do, just don't come back at me saying whatever. I am not a financial advisor. This is all for fun. We're all just having a good time here. Learning how to trade the right way instead of the stupid old-fashioned bullshit ways. You're welcome, Jake. You made 15, just made 15 out of that call, y'all demo course. Nice, Jonah. Congratulations, Jonah. There you go. 65 people watching. How many thumbs up do I have? Oh, please be 50. 40. I'm going to need about 10 more thumbs up in the next 2 minutes. If I don't get some more thumbs up on YouTube, you're not going to see the trading of the open. That's all I'm going to tell you. Not doing it. So you got 2 minutes. So I held my next alarm. All right. Let's go back to the robot. The robot, the Bree bot. It's going to be the greatest creation in the history of trading. My system already is, but this thing is going to be unstoppable. I will not release it until we are 100%. Well, no, there we go. There we go. There's a little, there's one. Let's see if this is the right little thing here. All right, let's see. Yep, there it is. So this is your entrance. Let's zoom in. A little Keith over here. Little Keith Rooney. This isn't even this is a good call. I'm saying it's a perfect call. So there was the initial signal of the system to start to look, the robot to start to look for the trade. This is when the robot made the trade. It came in here. It would have made the trade right when it crossed the orange line right there, and you would have made 300 pips on that shitty trade you would have made. And there's your entrance. Ding dong, baby, ding dong. Kevin the Goat, and can't forget about Bree and Keith. Absolutely. What's up, Kim Harrington? I'm so glad, everyone. Thank you for the prayers for Kim Harrington. She's doing wonderful. Keep the prayers coming for Kim. Keep the prayers coming for Keith. Keep the prayers coming for Bree, and keep the prayers coming for all our Safety Trade System members. Please bless God in Jesus Christ's name. Please bless every one of the members that hear my voice, everyone hearing my voice, members or no members. Let each and every one of us have a good life here on earth. Realize it's a short time. Let us be happy with each other. Let us be blessed with each other. Let us help each other while we're here on earth, and take us to heaven and forgive us of all of our sins. And those blessings I give to everyone hearing my voice. Amen. In return, I ask your blessings for Kim and for all of our members that need the specifically healing blessings, especially including Keith, and of course my beautiful wife Bree, and all of our family members. I do ask for each and every one of your blessings come back to us too, because I truly 100% in my core of core and every fiber of my being believe that prayers are helpful 100%. Whether it's good vibes, prayers, blessings, whatever you want to call it, it is helpful. Yay, Kim. Yay. Okay. Oh, there's my alarm. 3 minutes to market open. Let's see how many likes we have on YouTube. Oh, we're one away. I'll stay. All right, what's going to happen at market open? I have to go back to market open now. Sorry, guys. I have to go back to market open. Ooh, we are still in a sell. Interesting. This is still a sell. This is a sell, 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 sell. All right, keep running those buys up. Take the profit. Keep the profit coming. I'm going to call for SPX to do a sell. I'm going to call for a Soft Soul got his co-host. No, we're not doing co-host. Thank you, though. Right here, we're going to go over to here. Let me see this 2 minute again. Hold on, peeps. Yeah, 30 second. Is it going to go to the 10 second? Buy stop NAS to the 10-second blue line. I can't stop it. I got to take this buy. I'm not taking it per se, but it's a 10-second buy to NAS's 10-second blue line. SPX, let's see. To the 10-second SPX blue line. I personally think this is what you're going to see. You're going to see a spike up at open, unlike the usual way this is going to go. I think you're going to see this come up, and then somewhere between now and 10:30, you'll see it dip back down again. It's the complete opposite of my normal calls. But I think you're going to see this spike up, at least to this 10, 15-second blue line. Buy stop ES1 to the 10-second blue line. Buy stop at open, unless it hits it beforehand. I don't know what to tell you. Buy stop ES1 to the 10-second blue line. Buy stop SPX to the 10-second blue line. At open, that's what I'm calling, NQ1 to the 10-second blue line. We have 1 minute to market open, 1 minute to market open. Come on, come on, come on. Jeez, oh, pizza, fuck. 10-second, NAS, 10-second blue line. Take the buy to the 10-second blue line. Demo trade only. Do not try to follow me. I move in and out of these trades very quickly. Oh, I love this. US 30, I love. It's going to be SPX. It's going to dip first. YM1 to the 10-second blue line. I love the trade. It's a ricochet. US 30 ricochet to the 10-second blue line. If you want to trade a sell, look for SPX to do the selling. Here we go. Market open, peeps.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What time frame will be that? Be running all time frames. All time frames. Like a stoplight. Okay. Market open. Market open. That's fine. I don't care. Let's keep going. If you're going to do that sell, let's just hold on SPX. Touchdown. We have touchdown. NAS to the 10-second blue line. NAS is touching. NAS touched this blue line. NQ1 touched this blue line. NQ1 touched this blue line. SPX touched its 10-second blue line. ES1 touched its 10-second blue line. This is the one I would stay in for the sell. Let's see what it's going to look like. I don't think so. You guys do whatever you want. I'm not going to do that sell. It may very well go on and dip and dip and dip. I don't care. Went up and touched the 10-second blue line. It's all I care about. Yeah, we're good. We're good. I'm done. Told you, if you want to do a sell, look for ES1 or SPX and look for it to go down to that SPX 30 minute, was it? Come on, peeps. Gosh. Oh my God, I might as well just be done trading at this point. There you go. Then it wasn't a 30, was it a 45 minute? Hold on, I want to get you the right sell too. Yeah, that's a little too far away. Oh, it might have been SPX. That's why I'm off a little bit. It was SPX I called first thing this morning. Come on. Come. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, let me go to 30 minute. You can take any sell stop you want if you have balls enough to do it. You can do a sell stop for SPX, specifically to the 30-minute blue. I told you that's where it's going to go down to. Yep. And that's where I'd run it. You can do the other symbols if you want, or you can wait for the 4-hour buy stop on US 30YM1. You can wait for a 10-hour buy stop on SPX and ES1. You can wait for a 12-hour buy stop on NQ1 and NAS 100. Okay. All right, guys. Gotta run. It's been real. Had a blast. See you all on TikTok, heading over to YouTube for a quick minute. See you on TikTok. God bless you all. Won't be on probably for at least a day or two. Matter of fact, me and Bree are going to be having some fun. All right. If you guys want to buy the system, but I'm telling you, the Bree bot is fantastic. The Bree bot is unstoppable. Oh my God. It is just fucking unbelievable. Working 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, working 30 minute, 1 hour, working 15 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour. Here it goes again. Now this is interesting. Why didn't it catch this trade right here? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. We need to be looking at the 2 hours. Damn, I do that all the fucking time. Let's go back here. I'm just going to show you one more trade on the Bree bot. I don't know if that's low enough. Not sure on that. Yo, let's go back and look at this one. Hold on. Yeah, that's below it. Let me see something real quick. Yeah. Yep. Now let's see. NQ1 NAS. Yeah, it should have called. Oh, it did call the trade right there. See what I'm saying? I thought, oh, it didn't call the trade. Oh, no. Yes, it did. And look at that. Little to no drawdown. Called the trade perfectly. You know, that's just a mere, you know, that ain't that many pips. From right here to here. That's only 250 pips. How much will the Bree bot cost? If you're in the system, probably like $300 a month. If you're not in the system, $1,000 a month. Somewhere around that. And if you're in the sniper and the signal service, less than $350, less than $300. It's going to be real cheap for the people. I mean, really cheap for the people who are supporting me and Bree. Fuck yeah, it's going to be super cheap. You're welcome, Sog. Yeah, hopefully Bree bot for the win, LT. I'm doing my best. All right, thank you all for being here. God bless you all. It was a fun morning. That was nice and easy. Hope you all made some nice demo money. God bless. If I don't talk to you, have a good weekend. I might not be on again until Saturday, maybe Friday evening, not likely. And then Saturday. Probably, maybe. All right, got to turn this off. I know, right? 250, it's crazy. All right, God bless, guys. Everyone have a great day or two. Talk to y'all later. See ya. Wow, that was a nice morning. Super easy.